Now, we worked with cursors in the last lectures. Now, there is something else we can do with the results this cursor stores or gives us back, to be precise. Now, what can we do there? If I have a look at my movies and I find them all like this, I get a bunch of movies, obviously. And if I print them, I, get them in a nicer form. Now, here, please note, I'm handling the cursor manually. I'll let the shell do that and let the shell fetch the first 20. Now, of course, a common operation would be that you want to sort the results you get back. You can sort by anything. You can take a string and it will be sorted alphabetically, or you can sort by a number and then it will obviously be sorted by that number. Let's say by rating. Now, we can sort by adding .sort, if we use pretty before pretty, but always after find. Now, sort takes a document where you describe how to sort. Now, here we could say we want to sort by the average rating, so rating average. And that already shows us that we can also sort by a field in an embedded document. You could, of course, also sort by a top-level field. So here we can sort by rating.average. Now, the value you specify here describes the direction in which you sort. 1 means ascending, -1 means descending. So if I use -1 here, I actually have the highest ratings first. 8.8, 8.8, and if we scroll up a little bit further ahead, we see 9, and so on. And of course, as I mentioned, we can also sort in the opposite direction, and now we'll have the worst items first. You're also not limited to one sorting criteria. You could say you want to sort by the rating first, and the order does matter, so it will first be sorted by rating, but then within each rating, so to say, you want to sort by runtime. Also, ascending or descending. So let's say descending. Now what we have is, we have our ratings, 6.4, 6.4, but inside of that rating, it will actually sort by runtime. Now here I have the same runtime. Here, however, I have 30 minutes in the 6.3 rating. Here again, I have 6.3 with 60 minutes, and hence 60 minutes comes first before 30, because I'm sorting the runtime in a descending order, so higher values first. So you can combine multiple, as many as you want, sorting criteria here. And sorting, of course, is a pretty common task you do when you work with data, because it allows you to not just narrow down the set of data you want, but then also retrieve it in the right order. Now, sort is available on this cursor. It's not available for find1 for obvious reasons, because find1 only gives you one document. There's nothing to sort.